Imagining myself wearing this one is mind-blowing and fulfilling as I love this kind of accessories. At first, I'm not a fan of this kind of stuff due to some trends today and also as part of my fashion. Little by little, I already adapt. I'm casting clothing due some accessories like this one, serving as a form of my self-expression. Even as boys, guys, sometimes should change, showcasing our personal identity. Investing in this kind of items anticipate about what we wear and how we wish to wear to others, sometimes driving by our desire, and it's all about being open to changes. This one, guys, is sterling silver 7 Cuban necklace for men, perfect jewelry accessories. I've been looking to order of these kind of items, guys. Although I can't decide where to order, and only one thing comes on my mind when it comes to online shopping. The one in only AliExpress. I bought this one and I'm super amazed. Getting this stuff and its lowest price is promising. Only AliExpress can offer a kind of promo like this. Okay guys, back to our items. This product is rare sterling silver, extremely highly regarded Italian jewelry. The quality of this product is outstanding. As you can see guys, it's pretty sure it's not a kind of fake stuff. The chain look fantastic, it's very shiny and has a great weight too. I really love it guys. This necklace will add to our soap by serving as a stylish accessories, enhances our looks, expresses our personality, and highlight features to our neck and faces. It will also guys offers a sense of calm, clarity, and emotional stability. Additionally, the timeless and the versatile nature of this silver jewelry makes it durable and practical choice for everyday wear or any occasion. So guys, I know that most of you out there interested to this one. Just check this kind of product in AliExpress and shop with confidence. Guys, thanks for staying with us. Take care everyone. Adios.